chapter 6, lines and angles. In this chapter, we have already gone through collinear points, non-collinear points, intersecting lines, non-intersecting lines. Then we have also learned what are adjacent angles, then linear pairs, vertically opposite angles. We have also learned theorem 6.1. We have completed exercise 6.1. Today we are going to discuss on another very important topic, that is parallel lines and transversal lines. Then we will see that if two lines are parallel, what are the conditions that will satisfy? So, watch this video. Hi student, today we are in chapter number 6, that is lines and angle. We are going to discuss on parallel lines and a transversal line. Now you already know what is a parallel line. If there are two lines and they are equidistant from each other, you understood? We call it as parallel line. These two lines will never meet with each other. So that is what you call a parallel line. And you also have learned about intersecting line. Correct? That is, if two lines intersect at a point, they touch at a point, we call it as intersecting line. So today we are going to discuss about parallel lines and transversal line. We can name it line AB and CD. So AB is parallel to CD. We can write in this way, AB parallel to CD. Now, if there is one more line passing through these two lines, we can take it as line T. And this line T is passing through AB and CD, and which touches at 2 points. Okay, AB at M, CD at N. Understood? So whenever a line intersects at 2 points or more than 2 points, this line T is known as transversal line. We can name it as what? Transversal line. It may be of 3 parallel lines, and if one more line passes through these 3 parallel lines at 3 distinct points, we can name it as M, N, O. So this line is known as transversal line. Okay children? When two lines are parallel, two lines are parallel, so here we can draw two lines, and both the lines are parallel to each other. Then there is one more line that intersect AB and CD at 2 points. We can name it as MN. So to make it little bit simple, we'll make here some angles. We'll name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you can see here when two lines are parallel. So there are some conditions that should be fulfilled. Okay. First one is corresponding line angles. Okay. Corresponding angles are equal. So whenever corresponding angles are equal, we can tell that two lines are parallel. Now in this figure you see which are the corresponding angle. Angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6. Correct? Again, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. They are corresponding angles. So you can write here angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 2 equal to angle 6, angle 3 equal to angle 7, angle 4 equal to angle 8. So whenever corresponding angles are equal, then two lines will be parallel. AB will be parallel to CD. So that is the first condition. Then see the second condition. Interior or exterior angles. Okay. Interior or exterior angles of, or you can write interior or exterior angles in terms of alternate interior angles. So you can write here these two angles of alternate angles. Correct? So we can also read in this way, alternate interior angles or alternate exterior angles. Understood? For example, you see angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. They are alternate interior angles. Correct? So you can write here angle 3 is equal to angle 6, angle 4 equal to angle 5. They are what? Alternate interior angles. Then you will find angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7, angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7. They are alternate exterior angles. Correct? So AB and CD would be parallel when this condition should be satisfied. So the second condition is alternate interior angles or alternate exterior angles if they are equal. So whenever angle 3 is equal to angle 6 or angle 4 equal to angle 5, then we can tell that AB is parallel to CD. Or we can also take alternate exterior angles, that is angle 1 equal to angle 8. You see in the figure, angle 1 equal to angle 8, as well as angle 2 is equal to angle 7. They are also known as what? Alternate exterior angles. Then we can tell that AB is parallel to CD. So that is the second condition. Correct? So you can write the third condition, that is interior angles or exterior angles on the same side of transversal. okay, of transversal is 180 degree. So here you can see interior or exterior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. From the figure we can take angle 3 plus angle 5. So their sum should be how much? 180 degree. Then angle 4 plus angle 6. Okay, their sum is also 180 degree. So they come under interior. Correct? Then angle 1 plus angle 7. They are also 180 degree. Whereas angle 2 plus angle 8, that is also 180 degree. So we call it as exterior. Correct? So if the sum of the interior or exterior angle is 180 degree, we can tell AB is parallel to CD.